Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up and transfer money using new digital wallets in 2025 step by step. Step 1. Download the digital wallet app that you want to use such as Google Pay Wallet, Apple Pay, PayPal, Revolut, and many more. Step 2. After choosing the wallet that you want to create, open the app and sign in or create an account using your phone number or email address in that application. Step 3. Link your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Most apps will guide you through the verification with a small deposit or an OTP. Step 4. To send money, you can go to the Send or Pay section of the app. You can enter the recipient's email, phone number, or username afterwards. Step 5. Type the amount and add a short note if you needed, and tap Send. You can also authenticate the payment with your passcode or biometric ID to confirm the transaction. Step 6. For receiving money, you just share your wallet ID, QR code, or your linked phone number with the sender. And now, you're ready to manage payments and transfers using your digital wallets. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.